Still spending 5 hours on project admin before your kickoff even starts? Stop being a human to-do list and start leading with clarity. Every project manager knows this pain. A new project lands, and suddenly you are drowning in messy sales handover notes, struggling with PowerPoint formatting, and staring at a blank project charter. This is administrative debt, and it quietly eats up 40 to 50% of your real value. But here's the war room secret: tool chaining. First, use Microsoft Copilot or Otter.ai to transcribe the messy sales handover call. Within minutes, it identifies speakers, extracts action items, and highlights key decisions. Now feed that clean summary into ChatGPT or Claude. In seconds, you get a structured project charter, a work breakdown structure, and a communication plan aligned to your PMO standards. Now comes the visual payoff. Instead of losing your weekend in PowerPoint, use Gamma.ai. One smart prompt turns your WBS into a 20-slide kickoff deck, complete with diagrams, story flow, and even speaker notes. Need a sharper boardroom visual? Paste your process text into Napkin.ai and instantly generate clean, context-aware flowcharts and critical path visuals that command respect. Finally, use Claude one more time to polish your speaker notes. So when you walk into that kickoff room, you sound calm, clear, and fully in control. That's how you turn 5 hours of scattered admin into 45 minutes of execution flow. This is how modern PMOs stop reporting work and start driving outcomes. Follow PMO Champion to build a PMO that leads with speed, structure, and strategy.